Hello viewers, hello friends, how are you? Hope you all are fine. And today we dive into the world of very beautiful bottle recycling idea, bottle decorations ideas and beautiful designs of bottle crafting. So viewers, we are trying to bring for you very beautiful and amazing collection of bottle recycling, very beautiful and amazing interesting designs of collection, bottle recycling, bottle painting, bottle decorating ideas, very beautiful designs. So these are very amazing collection of bottle recycling, and you can get these ideas from this video, and hope you understand how to make this. And it's time to grow your business, so make some different types of article like painted, wall decorated, wall hanging, lantern, pencil holder, and upload pictures on social media platform, and you can earn followers, and you can earn if your article is powerful, if your project is powerful, you can definitely earn audience, so you can earn followers. So if you made best videos, best ideas and best designs, so watch full video, and we show you a very beautiful and interesting designs. So let's have a look till the end. So viewers, our designs gives you a different types of collection, different types of ideas, like bottle painting, glass painting ideas, bottle recycling ideas, bottle paint and decorate with the jute craft. So these ideas are very impressive and very beautiful. If you want to watch more designs like this, so definitely you can join us on YouTube channel, and you can watch more designs like this. So tell me about your opinion. Bring the holiday spirit to your home with these beautiful wall hanging X-Mix decorations from Santa Hemmed Floral. So these ideas are very impressive and powerful for you. It is these ideas can help you to grow business, to grow ideas. These ideas helps you, makes your designs more beautiful with jute, and add something flowers touch, add some golden touch. These ideas are very impressive for you. If you want to know more designs, if you want to watch more this colorful ideas, more this colorful designs like this, you can join us, and you can in this video, as you can watch in this video, these designs are very beautiful, and I personally really like it, and you can make it easily at home, and you also can grow your business with these ideas, these crafting ideas, bottle, jar recycle, bucket recycle ideas. Plastic bucket you can turn into centerpiece. It means trash into treasure. You can turn trash into treasure. So what do you think about it? Tell me in comment section, and we will be very thankful to you if you tell me about these, if you tell me about these ideas and designs. We will definitely thankful to you, because your precious time is more precious for you, and you came out with this time and write comment. So really very thankful to you, and in this video we show you a very Beautiful jars ideas, beautiful jars designs,